I'm so bad.
Actually, there is two famous book for the human-computer interaction. The first is from Schneiderman. This is technical guidance. Yeah. Schneiderman is some researcher about human-computer interaction. A lot of paper from Schneiderman has been published. This is very technical, but if you want to read the easy one, is the from Alan Dixon, which is the easy because this is only for the guideline. Okay, we first study the key definition. User interface. It means that interaction between human and system or computer. So not only just image or screen, but also interaction. How the user interact with system, how to do the process, business processing. From usually it's related to data flow diagram that we have studied. There is a two kind, user interface and also system interface. So this is the relation between machine to machine, their systems. Usually current software use both user interface and also system interfaces. And there is two like coin, two side. There is augmented reality, virtual reality, and another side is the embedded or IoT. So they have different function. Augmented reality and virtual reality usually bring the environment into the computer. This is the augmented reality and virtual reality. For example, we want to see the lion in Africa, and we use the virtual reality or augmented reality using special glasses and see 3D the lion in the Africa, for example. This is the environment go to the computer. Another system embedded or IoT is different kind. So they bring the computer into reality, different direction. For example, we use some tools, for example, like watch in our wrist, and then this watch will check our blood pressure and temperature and etc. So we don't need to see or to see every time or but they automatically use the sensor to check our system in our body. So this is the kind. similar with the sensor in our car or motorcycle and sensor, and then we of course do not see regularly the sensor, but sensor is automatically, if there is some important condition, they will give the alarm, etc. But usually they do not need like the screen greens interactive screen, but they only need 24 hours check the our body or our vehicle, our house, and etc. This is the different direction of the how the environment and the computer related. For the user interface, of course, this is we need balance. We have to see the screen, but we do not need full contact with the or full we need only the important things we have to do to do our job using the user interface. So we will analyze what is the how to design the good user interface. There is also navigation. So we need the simple as possible navigation without need more effort. Currently we have already used the touch screen and also maybe using the voice recognition, and etc. So there is a lot of research in this mechanism. Also the input for the capture information, also the output. We will choose how we provide the output. For example, in the stock exchange, in the share saham. So we need maybe some warning message using the sound, not only running text, maybe because our ear is more sensitive compared with the eye for the warning message. This is the principle for user interface design. Usually this rule is from the Schneiderman, the book that I have introduced to you. How to create the layout, and then also content awareness, aesthetics, user experience, UX. So there is a lot of, there is one kind of job, UX designer, user experience. So consistency, we have to not too much different, with one function to another function. So this is consistency. Also minimal user effort. So the user need not too many click or too many menu, submenu, and etc. This is make the user is boring. This is the layout concept. The screen is often divided into 3 boxes. Usually currently today is a web-based navigation area, usually in the top, status area in the bottom, and then work area is in the middle. So this is the main window. Maybe some, for example, Surface, Microsoft Surface is use the navigation in the below, to make the touch screen more reachable, because if the top we want to click using the touch screen, is maybe more far than in the bottom in our laptop. Of course for laptop but for the tablet is the same direction, same distance. Sorry. This is work area in the middle. Information can be presented in multiple areas. So this is the like multi windows. We can use the some area screen divided by 2 or 4. So this is the areas. For example, should be group together. For example, is have used sample application. This is the using the MATLAB, and this is the how to create the vertical. We call this vertical application. Vertical application is the application for the specific task. For example, maybe you in industrial engineering, maybe there is some application for optimization in the manufacture, etc. This is the we call computer science called the vertical application. Different with the general application, like Microsoft Office and etc. Browser, Windows, and etc. But the vertical application only for some specific science or domain. So to run this application, we have the basic knowledge about the content is. For example, this is for satellite segmentation, and this is the you can use for your background. For example, in industrial engineering, you can create. This is we call it the desktop application. Compare with another application using the browser web application. So you see, we have group together. This is the input. Usually we have group in the one group, in the second group, and this is the another group. This is the visualization group, the output result. So the similar group should be grouped together. This is some designer use this called the islands. For example, this is the zoom. We call there is some island. Is the usually we call it island, but in current web-based application, usually we have similar UI. If you open the website, usually there is here in the left side there is a section. For example, President University. Usually there is a section here. We can minimize. Actually, we have a similar pattern. You see, there is, for example, this is a eCampus. You can click here. There is information here. This is a similar pattern because we use some framework, the same framework usually in web application. So usually the result is similar, maybe only the font, color, size, and business process may be different. We have to ensure that the business process should be made simple as possible. Areas and formats should minimize user movement. So this is makes the user is comfort to use the application. Not too many movement, mouse or some click. So we have to consistent with the size, shape, placement for entering data, report, and etc. For easy, we just follow the, because we have to consistent. You see, for example, in PowerPoint, usually this is the file and etc. The home, insert. This is the similar with another application. There's a file, and for example, in saving, you see this is the, maybe you have you never use this storage. This is diskette. Diskette is magnetic Polaroid. But this icon, even we now use flash disk, but the icon for save usually still using the diskette, because this icon has been implemented maybe in 80 or 90s. So to make a consistent, or it's easy to create some symbol of menu that many user has understand. So this is difficult if you use the new symbol. So the user need to familiarize again. So size and shape, placement, the location. Usually the menu is in the top. So report, presenting retrieve the reporting, usually using the printing. This is the example of layout. We call it the navigation here, navigation, and this is browser, the report form. So this using the information below is the status area. This is the example 2. This is the system navigation to navigate the address. This is the section, similar with President University site in the left, and this is the page navigation. In browser, in web page, we have to follow the standard for the content. For HTML5, we have to create the title, content, etc. So the Google search engine can easily find our website. If we follow the standard, the user can easily search in Google or Yahoo or Bing. This is the input process. For example, in registering, it's easy if you follow the Yahoo or Google when registering. The size of is edit text, because usually Google and another big vendors has already studied, survey, research, and etc. How to create the size of the font, the color, etc. So better if you do not trial and error. So we just follow the famous website, Google and etc. You see, for example, Google. Just Google, you see, they do not have the what's mean advertisement. Even this site is the first website. Google is the site number one in the world. So they do not uh, offer the advertising in this site. You see, there is some study, the location of the center of the browser is usually upper than the real location. For example, I print screen this, and if you draw the line then the button to here. So usually the reset is already know that the location is upper than the central. So Google do not locate this is in the center. So because usually the center is higher than the real center. Usually up here. They have already studied it. The histogram, vertical or the horizontal, it depend on the numbers of this item here. Maybe if we use this, usually some may be missing. But if you use the vertical, usually we have easily found there is a missing, or maybe something using the asterisk here to complete. And then we go to the content awareness. So all interfaces should have titles, not only icon or figure or image. Usually we have two, image and titles also. Menus should show the where you are, where you come from to get there, and etc. So the good interfaces have uh, the map. Where is our screen actually in the location. So for example, we have to understand where is the location of this in this current screen. Usually I think it's difficult to I just only use this. So you see, for example, in Shopee and etc. Tokopedia, when you have transaction, there is usually some step here, 1, 2, 3, and etc. So we understand. For example, I want to make attendance. This is difficult. I should searching here without training. It's difficult to see this class meeting. And then after sorry, it's already time out. First, you show the section, and then go to this, and then I have to go to this difficult location, and then I have to another menu. Usually there is a reset, we have to not more than three click, because if we have more than three click, the user studied so that the user will boring, or of course for the site I have to use it because this is the mandatory. So even it's difficult to access or difficult to not user friendly, but I have to do to click and to absent the meeting, etc. So we will use. But for the general application, for example, like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc., if the user is difficult to access, they will not use it. So the good application is the most user use this application. We cannot say the application is good, but there is no one use the application. Of course, this is not good application based on the user interface. Fields and labels should be selected carefully and should be what information within the area. So where you are, where you come from, and to get there, this is you should be user made easy. For example, the Facebook is the more Facebook usually only there is 1, 2, 3, and etc. It's easy to access. Not more than 2, 3 clicks, yeah, the Facebook to be accessed, because if the user clicking more than 3, they will use another application, competitor. Yeah. So this is the where we are. This is the map. For example, I will want to use this video group and etc. This is easy interface, but currently Facebook is have the competitor from TikTok. TikTok is more without clicking, maybe there's only just click and see the content using our AI. Using the AI, what is the most the prediction if we want to see? They have the AI. Content awareness, and then we go to aesthetic. So interface need to be functional and also aesthetic, inviting to use, but of course too many animation maybe it will reduce the speed of the system, so we have to avoid too many animation and avoid squeezing too much because if many user is novice user, we don't use the expert user as the foundation, but we have to use the novice user because this is the most terbanyak, the only maybe 1, 2, 3 for the expert. Design tag carefully, and also for this problem usually we use the two version, version for the novice and also version to the expert using shortcut misalnya, because the expert maybe the novice, if they use this application, maybe become the expert. So the system should provide for the expert. Design text carefully, be aware of font and size. And there is a rule, a study that using all capital letters you should avoid, because this research has shown that usually people reduce in speed when read the capital sentence, more more slower if the user read the capital letters. I don't know for the Russian. Russian people usually use all capital letters. Maybe they do not want to read fastly. So capital letter usually for the warning, in order people to read carefully or slowly for warning. But usually for the fast reader, they tend to easily use the not all capital letter, maybe only the first or yes, lower case, lower case is more easy to read for fast reading. Aesthetic, colors, you have to understand the contrast, and also usually there is tips how to create, to check the quality of color by converting into the black and white monitor. So usually green and blue usually have the same color if we use the black and white or gray monitor. So they have the similar. This is the tips to check using the black or white. Also colors can be used to separate item, categorize without line. Maybe just only use the color. We have separated categorization. And then this is the important aspect, user experience, is the how easy is the program to learn. So if you want to create the game or the application for everyone, so you have to create the application that easy to learn, easy to use. This is the user experience. If the application is difficult to learn, maybe this is not a good user experience. So this is the some job title have this user UX designer. They create the user interface that easily to learn by people. For example, you have to one new game, the people only need 1 minute to understand how to use the game. For example, Roblox and the famous game Mobile Legend, Free Fire, PUBG, and etc. This is, they have to create the game that not to need a lot of time for user to understand or to use, to learn. How easy is the program to use for the expert? This is also you should consider this because after 1-2 months, maybe the user have become the expert. So if the user interface is still uses the easy, maybe this expert is not use the application again because they might be boring. Consider adding shortcut. This is for the expert. You have to use shortcut. For example, in the MS Word, word processing, use Control S, Control V. copy, Control C, and etc. This is the shortcut for the expert. Do not use the menu and another click, too many click. Where is the low employee turnover? Some training can lessen the impact of the less precise interfaces. So there is two kind error, we understand but we slip. We call it slipping. Wrong click, but we understand but we miss, or we call it slip. And another is the user do not understand the process. So this is the actually wrong and slip. We have to consider there is a difference. Slip is usually from the bad user appearance. So we make the wrong enter or wrong location for clicking, maybe too small icon, this is too small, etc. We maybe after this there is a darker area of when we click. This is how to answer. We do not wrong click. For example, there is two distinct color here. This is to avoid the slip. Also, we have to consider not to. Usually, the Windows 8 has been, I think, already fixed. For example, we have to consider separate the delete from rename. Usually this because if I want to rename, maybe we have slip to delete. So actually the delete should be away from the most used menu. And then this is consistency. We have to user predict the next what happen. So this is usually F1 part should be have the similar, for example here, and we can predict, for example, after we clicking we have to predict even I never use this, but I maybe predict this is the some content for the people. This consistency. It's different with movie. Movie may be good if there is a surprise and etc. But for the user interface, you need to make a surprise for the user. So user have to predicts what happened. So do not use the some what is a mysterious mystery user interface. Preference to level. You have to make not too many different level, report and form design, etc. The terminology is the same. For example, in one side close and another menu, maybe you have to the same close and not shut. For example, shut down. You have to make the same similar. Minimize the effort. This is the most for the most 3 clicks rule. So if you want to make the academic information system, for example, you have to limit the user to not more than 3 clicks. So if the too many clicks, it may be some comfort, related to the comfortness of the user. This is the how to design the process. There is a 5 process. First, we use design the interface structuring, and we have to follow the standard. And for the standard, there is here we call it the ISO, organization, international organization and standardization. This is the 9241. This is the standard for ergonomic office, with visual. There is a 7 content you can read this. Also for software issues, there is a ISO 14941. This is the maybe there is a newer version, for Germany. There is a DIN standard, or I don't know in Indonesia, maybe still using the same ISO, 241. Usability is there is usability, effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction. This is for the user interface. And then with standard, and then the testing, using the prototyping, and the user check the user whether satisfied or not. Then if has been satisfied, use the prototyping, and this is the satisfying collection. And then if agree, they replace we use the current interface, using the newer interface. This is the scenario development. You can make an outline, or using simply narrative, for the FD. Maybe for the final exam, we use this DFD, simple DFD, to get the narrative, how to create the interface, and also to some document maybe can be used to create the interface. Usually we have the interface the similar as possible with the paper-based document, because it's easy to learn from the user if they use this not too different with the paper-based. Maybe I will give you some assignment maybe next week, for this. You have to analyze your academic information system, PUIS, to choose some page, and then to analyze, and then give some suggestion. Maybe I will add this to the eCampus. And then this is the window navigation diagram, screen form report related based on the Windows. Windows is more user friendly today compared with the previous, using like you withdrawal money in ATM, automatic teller machine is only just using the left, right, up, down. Windows can be screen form report, and etc. Box arrow, and some symbol star types. This is the some example for the navigation diagram. If you see this, you see there is a main window, and then there is three menus, and then if I choose the menu A, I will have the form A, B, C, D. For example, if I click the design, there is a here, And another maybe there is a pull down menus. Pull down menus. It means that if we use this is not pull down menu, yeah. This is the drop down. For example, I click here, and if I run the prototype, this is the pull down menu. Is there is some option here. This is the pull. It's called the pull down, or from business intelligence user usually call this drill down. Drill down is similar. This is a standard. The basic element are common. Forms, report, etc. We have to make the familiar as possible for the user. Desktop, checkbook, shopping chart, using the same with another browser or another application, yeah. But of course, maybe some icon or some it has been patent, so there is a problem. And also there is some fight between the MacBook and Macintosh and the Windows, because the Windows usually is report to copy or use the patent from the Macintosh, interface icon and etc. You set interface design and prototyping. Prototyping is some simple application like this, and then we easily draw it maybe in 1-2 minutes, and then we can show it to the user. It's easy to understand or not. If they think difficult, we have to revise this. For example, I do not use this again, so it easily use another. For example, there is the menu, yeah. This is the menu. Menu 1 and menu 2, some there is a child, etc. This is the use easily using the prototype, yeah. This is called prototype. This is the simple application how to use this and then etc. Usually current technology is make easy, yeah. That the future maybe a programmer is not use the coding from the stretch, maybe only just using the pattern, just drag and drop without using the typing like programmer in 80s or 90s. So another method is using the storyboard. Example is maybe this is only use the pen and paper, very fast. After clicking here, there is a menu here, and click here, so the user can easily. But of course, is we better use the computer aided software engineering, CAS tools, like this is the case. It's easy more, and then if we generate in the code, it's more. This is the code. We just can add this to run the software. You see there is a method using the heuristic evaluation, using the checklist. This is software testing. Now also there is walkthrough evaluation using the simulation, movement through component. Also there is interactive evaluation using start of the system, formal usability testing, and all the testing you can. Testing is one kind of competence, in Indonesian competence standardization. Yeah. For example, you can find the LSP, and etc. You can see the job roles in job role. What is the some competency that you can keep? Of course, you are as industrial engineering, you maybe the different scheme for the competence. Okay, we continue this. Just some sample from the book, and also you can searching the. I think this is not already not active. Okay, you can searching the. Maybe I will share you this ebook for. I think this is the easy one to read. It's, they have the good sentence and easy to understand. The good sentences, a good writer is usually put the first important content is in the first sentence usually. So to read fastly to read the first sentences. Okay, I think I will. This is the end of our slide, and then we try to capture the attendance. There is 32 people already joined today. Okay, I will finish the class today. Good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Thank you, sir.